Chapter 4: Animals and their feeding habits. All animals require food to live and grow. Different animals eat different types of food and have different feeding manner. Let's study how the animals are classified according to their eating habits. Animals are grouped into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Food habits of animals. Animals are divided into 4 different groups according to their feeding habits. Herbivores. Many animals feed on grass or leaves and other parts of the plants. These animals are called herbivorous animals or herbivores. Cow, hare, rabbit, goat, horse, giraffe, zebra, elephant, deer, etc. are herbivores. Carnivores. Some animals kill other animals and eat their flesh. Such animals are called carnivorous animals or carnivores. Lion, tiger, wolf, leopard, etc. eat the flesh of animals like rabbit, goat, sheep, bison, deer, etc. So, they are all carnivores. Omnivores. There are some animals that eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. These animals are called omnivorous animals or omnivores. Man, crow, hen, bear, and rat are omnivores. Scavengers. Some animals like jackal, vulture, and hyena eat dead and decayed animals. These animals are called scavengers. Fact 5. Scavengers play an important role in keeping the environment clean by eating dead and decaying animals. Feeding habits of animals. The feeding habit of an animal depends on the type of food it eats. An animal's mouth is suited to the type of food it eats. Swallowing. Some carnivores like snake, lizard, and frog swallow their food whole. These animals have teeth which are used for grabbing and holding their prey. They do not use them for chewing. The powerful muscles of snake move the food along the throat and into the stomach. A frog eats insects. It throws out its long and sticky tongue to catch insects. The insects that get stuck on the tongue become the meal for the frog. Tearing and chewing. Some carnivores like lion, tiger, and dog chew flesh and bones. They have sharp pointed and curved front teeth to tear flesh. At the back of their mouth, they have strong grinding teeth. Gnawing. The term gnawing means biting something repeatedly and chewing it hard. Squirrels, mice, and rabbits have very sharp front teeth and they gnaw their food. Their sharp teeth help them to bite into grains and fruits. Chewing. Herbivores like cow and buffalo have sharp and broad biting front teeth to bite off grass and other plants. They also have broad and flat grinding teeth for chewing the food. These animals bite the grass and leaves and then swallow the food. Later, they bring back the swallowed food into their mouth and chew it slowly and properly. This is called chewing the cud. Sucking. Insects like butterfly, mosquito, and bee have long and thin feeding tube to suck the food into their mouth. Butterflies and bees suck nectar from flowers. Leeches and mosquitoes suck blood of animals. Fact file. The largest mammal, blue whale, does not have teeth. It eats only small animals like shrimps. Lapping. Animals like cat and dog lap up milk and water with their tongue. Fact file. A cat has a rough tongue with sharp-edged surface which helps it to lap liquids. Feeding habits of some other animals. An earthworm swallows soil which contains dead plants and animals. A giraffe has long neck which it uses for eating leaves from tall trees. An elephant uses its long and thick trunk to pull leaves and branches into its mouth and to drink water. Fact file. The tusks of African elephants are the longest teeth in the world. Food chain. All animals depend on plants directly or indirectly for food, as they cannot make their food. Plants can make their food. So, a chain of food is formed between plants and animals. A sequence of who eats whom is called a food chain. A food chain always begins with a plant. For example, a rat eats grains that come from plants. The rat is eaten by a snake. The snake is eaten by an eagle. Hence, the grains, rat, snake, and eagle form a food chain. Things to remember. Animals need food to live and grow. Animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Animals are classified on the basis of the food they eat as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Animals have different feeding habits. A food chain always begins with plants.